Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope you're all well. Today's video is about how to grow the bulbs of the gladiolus flower and how to prepare the soil for it. First of all, you can see the bulbs of the gladiolus flower, and now you can see the fertilizer. It's all purpose fertilizer. It contains macro and micronutrients both: nitrogen, phosphorus, potash, oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, calcium, sulfur, and magnesium. These are called as the macronutrients because they are required in comparatively larger amounts. Oxygen, carbon, and hydrogen are obtained from the air and water, while other nutrients are obtained from the soil. And boron, chlorine, iron, zinc, copper, molybdenum, these are called the micronutrients because they are required in comparatively smaller amounts. And the benefits of this fertilizer are it helps the plant to grow fast, make the roots strong, plants produce more fruits, and it improves the immunity of the plants against any harmful disease. And quality of the flowers and the fruiting and the fruits becomes good when you give the fertilizer to these plants. And now you can see how to grow these combs or the bulbs of the gladiolus flower.